Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to
The Woodshed 3.
Yeah.
These are our kids,
Yeah.
Hope and Rocky.
Raccoon.
Rocky might be out of the picture right now, but he's kind of wandering around.
Raccoon.
He's a almost 14-year-old Akita Shepherd mix.
Mm-hmm. There he is.
And Hope is a golden retriever.
Yeah. Whoop. Rocky raccoons, Opie doopies.
Come here, kids. Come here, kids. Come here. Opie.
All right.
Hey, guys.
Mm.
What's going on out there in YouTube land?
Yeah.
We are here and we want to give a big thank you to everyone that is watching our videos and liking our videos and subscribing. We do need more subscribers, but thank you very much, everyone.
Yep, we're getting there. Yep.
We're getting there.
Screwdriver. That wire's on that too. That red one. Oh. Go ahead. Okay. See the water out of the head get out of the water.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday afternoon. Well, it's right around noon. I am going to give you a little update on what I've been doing on the truck. Getting it ready. It's getting colder during the mornings. Afternoons are warm, but here in southern New England and Connecticut, it's a little chilly in the mornings, and we've had a couple cool days. So we bent up that gear shifter, and that's how it's going to sit. I finished this morning back bleeding the clutch, so the clutch actually works now. I got the gauges in. The one seat mount is mocked up, and the seat is just sitting on it. Now that is a 360-degree swivel mount and an adjustable back and forth. The motor is running, not right now, obviously, but the motor's running. My neighbor still wants to put one more tooth in the Advance, so hopefully he's going to come over in a little while and do that, and we might have a surprise a little later. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. We got quite a bit done. There's the clutch master cylinder, line. Had to get another belt for it, The belt that I bought was too big. All the adjustment was out of it. We had one leaky valve cover. I fixed that. And then, like I said, the clutch. And right now I'm going to try it. All right, everybody, the time has come. And we are going to see if the 59 Ford panel van will move on its own power. Now, as far as I can tell, that this truck has not moved on its own power since 1987-ish, 1988. That's the last time it had a inspection sticker on it, which I show right here. Power since 1987 or 88. That's the last time it was inspected. Take the wheel chocks out that I have, which are pretty much just logs. And we're gonna see if this thing will move on its own power. Again, 1950 Ford panel van, full wheel drive. All the running gear is basically brand new and rebuilt. Except for the transfer case. I didn't do the transfer case. But this is going to be the future tow vehicle for the Model A race car. So the traditional Model A race car on a trailer being trailered by the panel van. I can't wait. So, with all further ado, I am going to start this and we'll see if it moves. Lisa was scared that I was going to hit her truck.
Yes. I moved it just in case. I know you, Andrew.
Unfortunately, I was not able to hook up the throttle linkage, so I had to feather the clutch to make the truck move, but it worked. I have since fixed the throttle linkage, put a heavier spring on it, and it works great. Yep, that was a can of brake free that I left in the engine bay when I closed the hood. Oops.
You ran over something. You had a can. Never mind, keep going. Wheel shock just in case.
right, the truck moves. This is such an exciting moment. I am so excited. I've been working on this truck for 2 years. November of 19 is when I pulled this thing off the trailer. Been working on it for 2 years, and I vowed it would not go past November, that this thing would not move under its own power. It's moving under its own power. Throttle's not hooked up, so I couldn't really do much, and the brakes aren't working, so I gotta fix those. But it moves. It moves under its own power since 1987-88 time period. I am so psyched, and I hope you are too. All right, we're gonna button everything up because it's getting a little chilly out here, and that's it.
Time to celebrate. Woo-ha!
So, thank you for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously. The channel's growing quite a bit in the last month. A couple of the videos have skyrocketed, but just not enough yet. I don't have enough subscribers or enough hours of view time. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share with all your friends, and thanks for tuning in to the Woodshed 3. Peace, and keep on tinkering.
Yeah.